Okay, you're gonna hear my vacuum sadly, but I'm unboxing a new pad that I have. Gaming pad, mouse pad, QI pad. So I bought a headset that is wireless charging, and I'm assuming that I could use this to charge it because it's QI. QI is kind of the thing. So this is what it came in from Amazon. A lot bigger box than my other one if you guys watch that unboxing video. I was hoping I could get like a custom print on it, but they don't allow that yet with the QR code on it. QI charge on it. Again, sorry if you hear my vacuum in the background. I have a link in the description below of what it is. Instead of a full-size waste of space on the side because it only can charge one, I decided to go with one where it's only up here and it takes up less room. I'm probably going to put, I have a little desk fan. Little USB desk fan I keep there. Every now and then I got hot flashes like a woman, and I cool myself off. Luckily I got that because women sweat up a storm. RGB, does breathing, does everything. Here's the back of it. Integrated wireless charging for compatible devices, microfiber, 7-color lighting, touch control, on-the-fly backlight selection, sturdy rubber base, USB plug and play. I also went with this one because it was cheap and because it's supposed to have a removable plug instead of a hardwired cord, which is great because my desk is wireless, meaning here's my desk. Instead of a wire going across, I drilled a hole straight through my custom desk that my uncle made me, and the wire goes straight through. Looks like that's what this is going to do. So if you have a hard wire, the plug is bigger, the USB is bigger, and I can't fit it through the hole I pre-drilled. The heck's on the corner? I don't think it's supposed to have that. So that pad is nice. Here is a standard size phone. I got a text from somebody. Whose is this? So that's nice so far. Okay, so it's not what the box shows. I don't even know what this is. The box shows it being plain. I'm glad that's not a water spot over there, but what is this? Esports? I can deal with it. I can deal with that. So my other mat was not this thick. This is super nice. My other mat was as thick as what that color is. This one's nice and thick. It's a beautiful black. These mats do have a problem with collecting everything you don't want them to collect. I use a lint roller. Has little pads on it. Them pads are not grippy, so it feels like it'll slide anywhere. It says it's a quick charge, but 10 watt is not a quick charge. Connect the wireless charger to the blah blah blah. 5 to 9 volt DC. We're just going to use the cord it provided. And it was just sitting under here. There's a lot of extra spaces for stuff. This is really weird. So I'm going to go get something that'll help out just a little bit. And I'm not pausing it because I'm tired of editing. Oh, wherever that went. Okay, so I have a USB tester. 5 watt. Let's see, it has to charge at least 5 volt and an amp. Sometimes stuff is less than an amp, and it will not charge your devices. It will take days. So here's the provided cable that came with it. Here's a 2.5 amp, and then I have 1 amp on the side. Oop. I'll plug this in first. Power it on. Reset all this. I'm putting out 5.1 volt out of my meter. Just kind of want to see what this charger does. There we go. Plugged it in. Hey Google, shut off my lights. See if you guys can see a little bit better. So there's a little button on the top. We got red going on there. It's saying it's using no power, which is great. Are you guys even still on? Okay, you're still on. Not going to show you each time. There's green. Ooh, I like that one. Half the mat's green, half of it's purple. Pretty cool. Still registering no power, which means it's not using enough to be playing. Blue, green, pink, aqua, yellow, white. I was waiting for it to see if it changed. Again, sorry for my vacuum. We got green, yellow, blue. It's kind of breathing, but it's breathing around. It's just pushing the color really slowly. I like that. We got red, green. It's kind of a different breathe. I like that one. Oh, it flit. I don't like it flat. I don't like the flashing. So it's half color, and then it flashes. And there we go. It's off. Let's see if it charges with it off. It kicked on, charging. It's using half an amp. It said, oh, there it goes. It's going up, amp and a half. That's perfect. That's still a slow charge, but it's still a charge. That's 1.4 amp, 1.3 amp, about 1.4 amp at 5 volts. So it would charge your phone like a basic slow charge. Not slow to where it's not charging, but it'll charge your stuff. So let's see what it does with the lights on. I don't have any fully charged devices, or I would show you the indicators there. Let's turn that on, put it on sideways. Okay. It's ramping up over here. It's up to 1.49, 1.5. Uses a little bit more. Now, the reason I didn't get one where the whole side is this charger, I never seen any of them that could charge more than one device. Look how many devices I could have there. 1, 2, 3, almost 4. Yet that whole side would be dedicated to this. I didn't want that. It's just a waste of space. Now I can put something here still. It's nice and squishy still, nice. And then they show you putting your whole phone there, and it just wastes the whole space on in my head. So yeah, there we go, the unboxing. Forgot to tell you, it's micro USB, is detachable. It's charging my phone, no problem. Actually went up 1% already. So that's 42 minutes to charge it from 83% on, which I love wireless charging. Works great for me. So, like how thick that is, it feels nice and good. There's just a little button up here. It does feel a bit cheap compared to a button, like a physical button on my old one, but it'll last until my next mat. Again, I'll show you this a little bit. I don't know what the heck that is, but I can deal with it. It's got a nice mat on the bottom that'll keep it a little bit sticky if not I put a certain type of glue down.